तो वेलकम बैक गाइस टू अनदर वीडियो। और आई एम सो मैं आप लोगों को इतना बता नहीं सकता मैं कितना खुश हूँ। मुझे अपनी वो डेडपूल वाली वीडियो पे 240 व्यूज़ मिले और मेरी टीएनटी वीडियो पे 150 व्यूज़ मिले। सो विद दैट बीइंग सेड वी हैव टू डू दिस द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ। Oh man, this is gonna crash my PC. 100 colossal record हो रहा है ना? हाँ, 100 colossal TNT. Okay. Okay, it's not. हाँ. Now I don't know what will happen. Okay. Okay. It. Oh. Oh my. Good. Oh. Oh my goodness. I should probably write down these coordinates. It didn't explode because of the water. It is still going. I am still lagging. Oh my goodness. क्या चल रहा है? Oh, मेरे पास fireworks है. Sick भाई. Are we fine now? Are we good? I think we are. How did that happen? Definitely not what I expect. Oh my god! And then that's beautiful. It is still exploding. Oh my goodness! That was just crazy. That's all I can literally just say. But better than that is literally just more colossal TNT. This is gonna be sick, bro. अरे यार. Oh yes, हो गया. Let's see कितना destruction होता है. Somebody save me. Okay, it's going and it's lagging. Oh my. It's deleting chunks on chunks and this is crazy भाई. क्या? Oh, मैं इधर छुप रहा. Oh my god. ये. Oh, मैं नीचे गिर गया. Oh, that means ये एरिया डिस्ट्रॉय होने वाली है. Oh my goodness, that lapis lazuli. Yes, that is. Oh my. Guys, I think we can say that we did. Oh my, मैंने ये देखा भी नहीं. We did quite good destruction. भाई Oh my god. But guys, so much thank you very much for 240 and 150 viewers and views, and as I'm saying अब तक और हो रहे होंगे. And yeah, our next target is to hit 100 subscribers. पहले 50 subscribers, हमारे next two targets are 50 and then 100 subs. Oh my. But before I go, I think we can explode one more. Yeah. Eek. And let me just place one more and one more. ये स्लो मोशन में ऊपर जा रहा है. Okay, not much, huh? Oh, is it much? No, not much. Okay. Oh, okay, yep, it's going. It's still going. It's still going. Yoo-hoo-hoo! Labe is चला गया. Oh, amethyst steward. I think that's what it's called anyways. But guys, with that being said, thanks. You can see that. Thanks again for hundreds of views. अगली बार मैं मिलूंगा probably आज ही. Okay, यार अभी फूट रहा है. Probably आज ही in my new videos, and do remember to check out my modded dragon videos. And this looks beautiful. It actually looks beautiful. Dragon modded Minecraft video thing, one block Pokemon quest and everything. और मैं soon वुल्वरीन भी बनने वाला हूँ. अभी तो मैं सिर्फ डेडपूल बना था. But peace out.